A 600-year-old tree in a remote Indian village has been ingeniously transformed into a living bridge that can support up to 50 people at once. This natural marvel, nurtured and shaped by the villagers over centuries, seamlessly connects two parts of the community, showcasing an incredible blend of nature and human ingenuity. Imagine walking across a bridge made entirely of living roots, experiencing the ancient craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. This unique fusion of tradition and nature not only serves a practical purpose but also stands as a testament to sustainable living and the deep bond between the villagers and their environment.